the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making a quick and easy pizza. My pizza is going to be a baseball, and that's in honor of the Phillies winning. So the ingredients that we're going to need are pepperoni, pizza sauce, pizza crust. You can use thin, classic, or thick, and also a bag of pizza cheese. Okay guys, I have my oven heating at 400 degrees. You follow the instruction on your pizza crust, whatever one that you get. Mine requires to pre-bake for 8 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the oven. Okay guys, while my pizza crust is preheating, I separated all my ingredients into the bowl. I have this right here is for icing. Like for cupcakes, I filled that up with the pizza sauce. That's going to draw the lines on the baseball. Next, I piled up some pepperoni on the plate. And all you want to do is take your knife and just cut straight down and make little pieces. Okay guys, this is what your pepperoni should look like. All we're using that for is for the stitching along the pizza sauce. Okay guys, it's been 8 minutes. I have my pizza crust in front of me. All you want to do now is go ahead and spoon your sauce on. Make sure you leave about 1 inch on the edges. Okay guys, I have my sauce on my pizza crust. Now all you do is put your cheese on. Okay guys, all the cheese is on top of the sauce now. Now I'm going to draw the lines to start to make the baseball. Okay guys, this is what it should look like next. Now we go ahead and take our pepperoni, and all we're going to do is lay it across and start to line it all the way around the sauce. Okay guys, isn't that cute? I think this is fun to do with your kids or your grandkids. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in my oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, there you have it. A quick and easy pizza. A baseball pizza in honor of the Phillies winning. And also back here I have some popcorn with some red M&Ms. You guys can have a little fun with that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. This is Nana the Saucy Chef.